Now how to create cloud formation stack in AWS. Okay, for that go to Google and search here AWS console. Click here AWS management console. Click login back and give your username and password, and it also tells us to type captchas. After signing it, the screen appears like this. Okay, in this services icon, click that like arrow like icon. In this, drag down, and here comes in management and governance. Here comes cloud formation. Click that. Here the screen appears like this, and here it tells create stack. Okay, now we are going to create new stack. Now if your template is already ready, you can give this template and you can run. If you want to create a sample, you can create here, or you want to design the template, or you can create the template here. Now I'm using a sample template. Okay, click that icon and choose here in which you want to the template to be. Here I'm selecting LAMP stack, or what you want you can select. In WordPress is there, in Windows also is there, you can select that which you want. Now for this project I'm selecting LAMP stack. Now you can also see the design how the template is. This is for sample. Okay, see the template is like this. I'm showing it. Now the template is like this, simple. Here in which JSON or HTML design you can choose this. I'm choosing it in JSON. Okay, then I'm moving back. Here click leave. This is for just I'm showing the design. You can go back. Now click the here, use a sample template, and again click here LAMP stack. It is easy to instance and local MySQL database it uses for storage. Then click next. Now you can enter your stack name. It must be unique. Okay, I'll enter something. I'll enter. Now it is named as database name is my database. Can give your database password. Can create database password. Want. You can also create new root password for MySQL. Now I'm not creating. Now it is T instance. Now the SH location is this. Now key name is nothing. I'm doing nothing. Okay, next. If you want tags means you can create that also. Now I'm giving next. Now I'm creating create stack. What's is telling parameter DB password is to change. what it's telling is change the DB password. It's telling. Now I'm going to here. I'm editing the password. Now go to parameter, edit it. The password must contain only alphabet and numeric. You must not give any special character, even underscore also. You must not give underscore. Only alphanumeric character you must give. Then click next. You can save password if you want. Then click next. Then create stack. Now the stack is created with template. Now you can do your project. Okay. Thank you. Now it's creating in progress. Now you can use it. Thank you.